Welcome back to my channel BACKGROUND Media. This week I was making a series of videos on different shadow effects. So today I'm going to make this exact effect where a shadow around a figure. You can take any of your photographs. Today I'm going to take one of my such photographs. So I've taken a new page. I will go to uploads and I'll take the same photo. I will go to edit image, background remover. Now this is one option which is only available for the Pro Canva version. So if you're not having that Pro version, then you won't be getting this option. So I have taken my photo. Now I'll just have to select the photo, go to duplicate. Without any movement, I'll go to edit image, go to adjustment, and I'll reduce the brightness, reduce the contrast, reduce the saturation, and blur effect. I'll be giving, well, 70 is okay with me. Now 53 is right exact brightness, which is yours. 54 is okay. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to make it little bigger than my original picture so that it looks realistic, and then go to position, backward. Now I will have to just shift the shadow, so I'll have to press select, move the photograph around it, got my shadow around my photo. Now this is looking very blank, so I'm just taking one background element. I'm going to element, background, type background, enter. Any background you can take, but I'm just choosing this one because this is somehow going with the particular photo. And I'll just go to right click on this background and set as background image. Now see, this is the exact same effect which I had made. This one I wanted to show you. You can use such effect to give your 2D photo a 3D effect. So try it and let me know in the comment section how did it go for you. In Canva Pro there are many elements, hidden elements, which I try to show you in small such videos. Let me know in the comment section if anything you are looking for. I can help you with getting the same effect, but many of such effects are available in Canva Pro, so it is pretty legitimate to take a Pro version instead of a free version if you want to make your templates little better than others. With that, I'll be signing off for today. If you have liked my video, make sure you press the thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. I have already mentioned my Facebook and my Instagram profile link in the video description as well as under this video, so make sure you visit my profiles and follow me over there. So thank you today till here. I hope you liked my video, enjoyed it, and I'll be coming up with such tips and tricks on Canva and many other softwares which will help you as a graphic designer to make your designs much better. So thank you for staying with me. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay legendary.